it's all away from me. What is left, I don't know. It's what I used to say, but I just know that my God is with me every single day, and I just need to send a brighter light. I try to hold on to that I've learned, but often I forget I'm doing what I can to do what I need, and I'm still sitting in my head, breathing in all this poison, just trying to get away, saying that I enjoy it, but I'm only loving pain. Break me out, take me out all of these days again. I'm tired of sitting inside of this place, and yet here I am every day and night in the same fucking spot. Tiresome thoughts I sit inside of my head each week. I'm wishing I could get away, but every time I try I'm weak. I cannot get up, my legs will shake and my arms will buckle. Breathe deep and try to sleep away all of this pain. I can't breathe in, trying just to get away from all that's in my head. Take this all away from me. I try to convey to you that's in my mind, but everything I speak is just evil every week, and I just need to expel this from inside. Get this anxiety out of my heart and chest. Let me take a deep final fucking breath. I'm doing what I can, but it's never enough again. But yet I still am safe and tired every day. Breathing deep, but I don't sleep. Tired, I'm trying every week. It's so hard to get this out of me, but I'm doing everything I can, and everything is meaning nothing. It seems that I'm trying. I'm going through all these days and nights, still doing what I need to, just to get this out my head. It's killing me to be this way still. I've been trying for a decade to change everything that I do every single day, but I have not changed a thing. My pessimistic mindset's the same, and all these nightmares still haunt me anyway. Why do I still buckle when shit seems to get rough? And why do I give a fuck though? 'Cause I've been through way too much.